At TMAC, our Lean Six Sigma program stands out from the crowd, designed to not only train, but to transform. Our personable and experienced instructors are true experts. Each of our Master Black Belts has over 20 years of experience across industries like manufacturing, healthcare, finance, government, logistics, and more. We offer a full suite of services, including training, consulting, coaching, and certification, all under one roof. With a broad range of classes, from the front line to the executive suite, and courses for every skill level, from yellow belt up to master black belt, we've got something for everyone. Need flexibility? We offer training at our TMAC Event Center or on site at your facility wherever you need us. Our hands-on, in-person training combines discussions, case studies, and business simulations, creating an engaging learning experience and ensuring real-world application from day one. And our training materials are constantly updated, keeping you ahead of the curve with the latest in Lean Six Sigma, project management, team facilitation, and more. Plus, we offer informal project coaching during and after class with no extra fees, available for all students. Our workshops also provide valuable networking opportunities, allowing you to learn from peers across multiple industries and to forge lasting connections. We measure our success by the impact on your organization. Our Greenbelt students report a median financial impact of $89,000 a year, and for Black Belts, $160,000 a year. Your certification includes a comprehensive project review with personalized feedback from our instructors at no additional cost. Need extra help? We're here for as long as it takes to fully understand the material, even after the class has concluded. At TMAC, we're more than just a training provider. We're a partner in your success. Ready to make an impact with Lean Six Sigma? Visit our website to learn more and sign up for our next class.